Alright, so we're going to look at taking the derivative of this function. We have p as a function of q, and we have sine q plus cosine q over sine q. So we're going to have to use our quotient rule. So we'll say u is equal to sine q plus cosine q, and v is equal to sine q. That means u prime is cosine q minus sine q, and v prime is cosine q. And so we have our quotient rule. I'll put the quotient rule over here. If we have some function of x where u and v are functions of x, u over v, then an f prime is going to be u prime times v minus v prime times u over v squared. So we take that form here, and our u prime is cosine q minus sine q times v, which is sine q, minus v prime, which is cosine q, times u, which is sine q plus cosine q, all over v squared, which is sine squared of q. So now we will multiply. We get sine q cosine q minus sine squared q minus sine q cosine q minus cosine squared q, all over sine squared q. And we notice, I'll change colors here, this and this cancel, and I have negative sine squared q and negative cosine squared q. So I'm going to pull out a negative sign, and upstairs I get sine squared q plus cosine squared q over sine squared q, which equals negative 1 over sine squared q, or negative cosecant squared q.